Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're giving you an exclusive tour of a 2-story oceanfront Butler suite, Sandals Regency La Toc in St. Lucia. Stunning suite that combines luxury, breathtaking ocean views, and top-tier service. As we enter, you'll see a mini fridge tucked under the vanity area and a spacious closet to store your belongings. Stepping into the bathroom, we quickly pass the walk-in shower before coming to the large soaking tub. Perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. Next, we have the toilet room offering extra privacy. As we make our way back, we get another look at the shower, showcasing its elegant and spacious design. Now, into the bedroom, where a king-size bed invites you to relax in comfort. The space is bright and airy with a cozy romantic feel, perfect for a peaceful retreat. While there's no direct balcony access from here, the best part of this suite is just downstairs. So let's head down. As we walk down the stairs, you'll catch a glimpse of the breathtaking ocean view and a private plunge pool waiting for you outside. This space offers the ultimate in relaxation and privacy. But we're not stepping outside just yet. Let's continue the tour. On the lower level, you'll find a kitchenette with a stocked mini fridge filled with your favorite drinks and snacks, all courtesy of your personal butler. This is the perfect spot to enjoy a quiet morning coffee or unwind with a cocktail in the evening. And now, the highlight of the suite, your own private plunge pool. Step outside to your secluded oceanfront patio where you can soak in the breathtaking views, lounge by the pool, or take a refreshing dip. Whether you're sunbathing, sipping a cocktail, or enjoying the Caribbean breeze, this is pure paradise. This is just one of the incredible suites you can experience at Sandals Resorts. If you've been dreaming of an all-inclusive escape, this just might be the perfect spot. And remember, Castle Explorers can help you book this dream vacation or any destination worldwide. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more amazing travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments, where's your dream destination?